Hey there, future finance whiz. So you're thinking about diving into the world of credit cards, huh? Well, let me tell you why the CorTrust Credit Card should be your new BFF. First off, let's talk perks. You might be thinking, oh great, another card with promises of points I'll never use. But hold up, with CorTrust, you earn rewards on everyday purchases. Groceries, gas, that essential daily coffee fix. Yep, you're earning rewards on all of that. It's like getting a little pat on the back every time you swipe. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Credit cards can be kind of scary, right? But here's the thing. CorTrust makes it super easy to manage your spending. They've got this nifty app that lets you track your purchases in real time. So, no more guessing games about where your money went. Spoiler, it was probably on avocado toast. And if you're a jet setter, listen up. CorTrust has no foreign transaction fees. That's right, you can globetrot without getting slapped with those annoying extra charges. Whether you're sipping cappuccinos in Rome or munching on sushi in Tokyo, CorTrust has got your back. But wait, there's more. Ever had to deal with those pesky fraud alerts? CorTrust has top-notch security features that keep your money safe. So, you can sleep soundly knowing your finances are under lock and key. Oh, and did I mention the customer service? These folks are friendly, helpful, and most importantly, human. No more yelling representative into the phone like a crazy person. So, why wait? The CorTrust credit card isn't just a card, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're shopping, traveling, or just living your best life, CorTrust makes it all a breeze. Ready to take the plunge? Click the link below and start reaping the benefits today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome financial tips. Until next time, happy spending. Upbeat music fades out.